Back to my YouTube channel. This is a short tutorial on how to install CapCut on your PC. So if you want to do that, you come right to this your window, you now search for store. You can either search for Microsoft Store or you now just search for store. You now see that at this point you click on it. So while waiting for it to load, if this is helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. So right at this point, you click on the search icon and you now search for CapCut. So you now proceed and you click on CapCut. So right here you see CapCut, you now click on it. So now once you click on it, you proceed and you click on install. It will now start getting ready and it will start downloading the software to your PC for free. So as you can see, we're now downloading the software right here, and it's about 591 megabytes to download. So at this point, we succeeded in installation of this CapCut. So now what you need to do right here is to now close this point, and then you now proceed. As you can see, the shortcut is here on my screen. You now proceed to run the app. So right now, it will now indicate that your computer can run it smoothly, so you click on confirm. So right now, once you click on confirm, it will now open this interface for you to start a new project. So you now click, you agree with the terms and conditions. And then you now start a new project. So this is how to download and install CapCut on your PC. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.